Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through what to do if TikTok removed the watch history feature. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now let's open up the TikTok app here, and we can tap on our profile icon at the very bottom right. And then at the top right, we'll tap on those three lines and hit Settings and Privacy. Now you can see if I scroll down here, there's no watch history, and it used to show up, but TikTok has had a few bugs and glitches with the watch history feature, and it's only available to some accounts. So you can see that I don't specifically have it here. I used to have that watch history feature, and then it disappeared, maybe with a TikTok update or something like that. It seems like they're testing it out. But unfortunately, there's nothing you can do to just get it back on your TikTok account except for filing a complaint that it's now missing. So let's go down here and hit report a problem. And then at the top right, we can just tap that little paper icon, and then we'll tap it again. And then this is where we can report the issue and say, hey, I had that watch history feature, or I've seen other people have that watch history feature, and now it's not showing up on my account. Can you look into it and get that back on my account? My guess is that TikTok is testing this feature, so it's turning it on and turning it off on different accounts and different profiles, and then eventually they'll roll it out to everybody and it'll be working. But you can always report this as a problem, and hopefully in the next 1 to 3 days, they'll get back to you and enable that feature on your profile. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.